Ever wonder what separates the pros from the amateurs? It's not just skill, it's having the right tools for the job. The right tool can make a difference. It helps you work smarter. Today, we're showcasing 50 of the most amazing tools out there. These tools are incredible for driving innovation and covering essential needs. Let's get started. First up on our list is the Bosch PFS 7000, an advanced for anyone tackling big painting projects. The PFS 7000 comes with the all-paint spray system. This lets you use it for everything from wall paints to glazes and varnishes. With its powerful 1,400-watt motor, this tool provides top-notch paint application and stands out as one of the best in its class. It's incredibly fast, applying paint at a rate of 4 square meters per minute. This makes it perfect for large projects, whether you're working indoors or out. Plus, its fine paint atomization ensures an even drip-free finish on any surface. It features 2 large 1,000 milliliter paint containers, so you can spend less time refilling and more time painting. The SDS system allows for quick refills and easy cleaning, and the constant feed function ensures a steady flow of paint no matter the position. With a 4-meter air hose and integrated rollers, maneuvering this tool is a breeze. It's not just powerful, but also designed for comfort and ease of use. It's an efficient way to apply paint, avoiding brushes and speeding up the process. If you're tired of the slow and messy process of transferring liquids, you need to check out the SP Quick Flow Drill Pump. With its universal adapter and rubber mounting strap, this pump fits seamlessly onto any drill and offers incredible versatility. It delivers an impressive 3 liters per minute at a drill speed of 1,200 RPM. Imagine how much time you'll save with this powerhouse on your side. The Quick Flow Drill Pump is designed for one-handed operation and helps you manage suction and discharge hoses with ease. And the heavy-duty design, crafted from a high-strength, chemical-resistant polymer, ensures long-lasting durability. Its quick connect couplers simplify hose changes and make storage easy. Whether you're in the automotive industry, dealing with engine oil or brake fluid, or working in marine or industrial settings, this pump handles it all. It's perfect for transferring everything from coolant to hydraulic oils. Make your work easier and more efficient with the SP Quick Flow Drill Pump. If you're looking for a way to streamline your painting or finishing projects, you need to see the 3M Hand Masker M3000 dispenser in action. This tool is a game changer when it comes to prepping surfaces efficiently. It simplifies the masking process by applying painter's tape to masking film or paper in one smooth, continuous motion. It's designed to save you time and hassle, up to 4 to 5 times faster than the traditional paper poly method. It works with 3M Hand Masker masking films and Scotch Blue painter's tapes, and it can handle film up to 144 inches wide or paper up to 18 inches wide. It's perfect for painting, ceiling texturing, exterior wall finishing, and floor sanding. Transform your project preparation into a faster, cleaner, and more efficient process with the 3M Hand Masker. Let me introduce you to the ManSaver Post Driver, a tool that makes driving posts effortless. This pneumatic post driver is designed to handle T-posts, fence posts, and more, delivering exceptional performance while saving you time and effort. Weighing in at just 34 pounds, the ManSaver Post Driver is surprisingly lightweight, yet it's built to last with heavy-duty construction. It drives posts at an impressive rate of 70 to 75 strokes per minute and quickly handles your fencing tasks. This tool is compatible with round posts up to 2 to 3/8 inches in diameter and square, or rectangular posts with a maximum cross-corner diagonal of 2 3/8 inches. It comes with a basic driver sleeve for maximum round posts, and replacement sleeves are available if needed. Powered by any small air compressor that delivers at least 3.5 CFM at 80 psi, the ManSaver Post Driver runs efficiently off air set at a maximum of 80 psi. It's designed to save your back and shoulders while effortlessly pounding posts into the ground. Make your post driving tasks easier and more efficient with the ManSaver Post Driver, your go-to tool for getting the job done right. For a sleek, professional finish on your decking projects, consider the Deck Pro tool. This innovative tool is designed for hidden fastening, ensuring a smooth, barefoot-friendly surface with no visible screws. It's the only tool on the market that adjusts to fit all common decking board sizes from 85 to 150 millimeter. With this tool, you don't need multiple tools for different board widths. The unique adjustment function allows you to easily set the gap between boards from 3 to 7.5 millimeter using the included spacers. Built to last, the Deck Pro features a robust and stable design that can withstand up to 100 kilograms of direct load. It's carefully tested for durability, ensuring it stands strong while you work. The screws grip firmly, and the included bits automatically stop at the right depth. Built-in spacers ensure an even gap between the boards, delivering a flawless finish every time. It's easy to use, adjustable, and designed for excellent results. For rescue and emergency response professionals, a tool that's dependable, adaptable, and ready for any situation is crucial. Introducing the First Responder Jack by High Lift, engineered with first responders and heavy rescue operations in mind. This tool is crafted from durable steel, cast iron, and high-strength aluminum, and is available in 36, 48, and 60 inches. It delivers an impressive 46-60 pounds of leveraging, lifting, and winching power. Whether you're performing extrication, stabilization, or forcible entry, this jack is up to the task. Unlike other expensive hydraulic tools, it offers similar spreading and ramming options without the need for fuel or power. From rural accidents to critical rescue operations in structure fires, the First Responder Jack proves its worth. In emergencies, speed and reliability are crucial. The First Responder Jack excels in quick stabilization and effective application, whether you're working on commercial vehicles or conventional ones. Upgrade your rescue toolkit with the First Responder Jack by High Lift and experience unmatched versatility and performance in every emergency situation. When dealing with small or tricky pipe surfaces, you need a tool that streamlines the process and boosts efficiency. Check out the Pico Pipe, a handheld blasting tool made for handling these demanding tasks. The Pico Pipe is incredibly user-friendly and comes in various sizes to fit different surface areas. It's perfect for those tight spots where larger tools like the Pie Blaster might not reach. The tool works by directing pressure-controlled aluminum oxide onto the surface, thoroughly cleaning it to a quality of SA3SP5, making it look like new. A key feature of the Pico Pipe is its capability to address the edges of existing paint, creating an optimal surface for any subsequent treatments. So you can move forward with your work seamlessly, with the surface ready for the next stage. If you need a reliable, efficient solution for cleaning and preparing small pipe surfaces, the Pico Pipe is your go-to tool. Let me introduce you to the Gevorks Nail Gun. This high-pressure tool is perfect for home woodworking, cement wall fastening, and more. With 5 speed settings, you can adjust the force for optimal penetration, making your work more efficient and less labor-intensive. Additionally, the thickened, wear-resistant noise reduction cover ensures quiet operation, reducing noise while you work. Safety and convenience are top priorities with this nail gun. It includes an automatic slag discharge hole that helps eliminate gunpowder residue and heat, ensuring reliable performance. The ergonomic anti-slip handle offers a comfortable grip and excellent control. It minimizes hand fatigue and boosts precision. The Gevorks nail gun is designed to be highly reliable. Its alloy needles are less likely to get stuck, even after continuous use. It also comes with a range of accessories, ideal for securing anti-theft windows, meter boxes, air conditioning racks, and more. This nail gun provides the power and versatility required for various tasks. Need a lighting solution that adapts, performs, and withstands tough job sites? Check out the Milwaukee M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. This powerhouse brightens your work environment and enhances efficiency. Setting up this tower light is simple. It extends to a maximum height of 7 feet and collapses to under 4 feet. It makes transportation and storage easy. The LED light head extends from 4 to 7 feet. It provides overhead illumination or focused lighting while reducing shadows. With 3 independently pivoting light heads, you can direct light in multiple directions to suit your needs. It delivers an impressive 6,000 lumens of TrueView high-definition light, filling large areas with bright, clear illumination. It also features 3 output settings, so you can control the light's intensity and extend the runtime up to 10 hours. Convenience is key with this tool. It includes a built-in AC plug and USB port, so you can charge your M18 red lithium packs or power your devices directly on site. Plus, with its IP54 rating, the light is water and dust resistant, built to withstand tough conditions. The light's New Balance carry rail design and quick 5-second setup makes it a top choice for professionals who need reliable, adaptable, and high-performing lighting. If you want to streamline your assembly work and boost accuracy, meet the Ledi Auto Hammer. This battery-powered magazine tool simplifies clamping cables. It eliminates the need for a traditional hammer and makes your job easier and more precise. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Ledi Auto Hammer is incredibly user-friendly. It's operated with just one hand and offers 2 grip options, which is perfect for those tight spaces where a hammer just won't fit. A key feature is the adjustable impact force. You can customize the force to suit the surface. The Ledi Auto Hammer includes smart features like an integrated work light and a distance meter. It drives up to 500 staples on a single charge. The tool recharges in just 40 minutes, which is reliable for any electrician. Upgrade your toolkit with the Ledi Auto Hammer and experience the convenience and efficiency that will quickly make it your new favorite tool. When it comes to cable installation, having the right tool to navigate corners with ease is essential. Meet the RunPotec Cable Guide Roller, a 90 degrees guide roller built to smoothly handle different edges. It reduces resistance and guarantees a seamless cable pull, making your job much easier. It features high-quality, heavy-duty die-cast aluminum rollers equipped with stainless steel ball bearings. These components ensure smooth operation and long-lasting durability. The sturdy, powder-coated steel frame adds to its robustness, which makes it a reliable choice for any job site. What sets this tool apart is its ergonomic design. The roller is lightweight yet highly robust, which lowers the effort needed for cable installation and delivers optimum results. It can be easily secured in place using either a belt or screws through its assembly openings. With a load capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms, it's built to handle substantial demands. Enhance your cable installation toolkit with this high-quality guide roller and notice the improvement in both ease and performance. When it comes to cutting, drilling, or coring through walls, precision and safety are crucial. That's where the Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner DWD-181 steps in. This advanced scanner allows you to quickly locate embedded objects in multiple base materials, like dry or wet concrete, wood, drywall, and even hollow blocks. With the capability to detect metal, wood, plastic, and shielded electrical wires up to 7 inches deep, it ensures you avoid costly mistakes and accidents. Makita designed this tool for exceptional versatility. It features multiple detection modes, ideal for scanning diagonally or confirming scans in up to 3 parallel positions. The large, illuminated 4-inch display clearly shows the center, edge position, and depth of embedded objects, simplifying your work. Additionally, the laser guide and LED light enhance accuracy and visibility, even in low-light conditions. Built for tough job sites, this scanner has a rubberized overmold, an IP54 rating, and extreme protection technology to protect against water and dust, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's also part of Makita's 18V LXT system, which is the largest cordless tool system using 18V lithium-ion batteries. The Star Protection computer controls protect the scanner and battery by communicating in real time to prevent overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. The fast-charging batteries spend less time on the charger, keeping you productive. Let me introduce you to the Clock ES20 RMC remote cutter. This isn't your everyday cable cutter. It's designed to tackle tough jobs with ease and safety. A standout feature is its remote control capability, which lets you operate the cutter from a distance, ideal for use with telescopic rods. You can comfortably handle high or hard-to-reach areas without straining yourself. The ES20 RMC is designed for strength. It cuts through materials like Al-Saint conductors, solid Al-Q cables, and laminated copper bus bars with precision. Its sturdy yet lightweight design and slim cutting head make it perfect for tight spaces. With the 18V Li-ion battery, you get a powerful performance along with a high capacity and quick charging time. The tool's Bluetooth functionality allows you to monitor all your data easily through the iPress app. It also includes an LED work area light, automatic retraction, and a quick motor stop. These features enhance safety and efficiency. Introducing the EDB480, your powerful all-rounder for tackling a variety of building materials with ease. The EDB480 is perfect for cutting through a range of materials, whether you're dealing with vertical coring brick-like Poroton, aerated concrete, wood, or even pressure-resistant insulation materials. It's built to handle tough jobs, making it ideal for construction, civil engineering, drywall work, and carpentry. This tool packs a punch with its robust 1800-watt motor, which delivers high cutting speed and handles even the toughest tasks effortlessly. Need to make precise cuts? The EDB 480's warp-resistant sword ensures accuracy, and its 2 countersaw blades offer blowback-proof sawing. It's not just about power, though. It is designed with the user in mind. The ergonomic handle can be mounted on either side, which makes it comfortable to use in various positions. Plus, its compact and slim design means you can work close to the edges with ease. Dust management is effortless with the built-in blower function, which keeps dust away from both the gearbox and the user. It is a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly tool that's perfect for any builder looking for efficiency and precision in their cutting tasks. Imagine a tool that makes removing spikes quicker and safer, without the hassle of heavy equipment or messy fluids. That's exactly what Spikeys brings to the table. It's the latest innovation designed to streamline your work, cut down on injuries, and eliminate the need for bulky hydraulic systems. Yes, you read that right. Battery-operated. This means you can say goodbye to hydraulic hoses, gas-powered generators, and all the complicated setups that come with them. No more struggling with claw bars or dealing with dangerous fluids. Spikeys is as straightforward as it gets. It works at lightning speed, which removes spikes in just 7 seconds each. That's fast and efficient. And weighing only 25.8 pounds, it's up to 20 pounds lighter than traditional hydraulic devices. Spikeys offers an innovative solution for quick and safe spike removal. It's efficient, user-friendly, and significantly simplifies the task.
Concrete and terrazzo floors often face the challenge of stubborn stains like red wine or pickle juice, but the DymaBrush Stain Removal tool offers a straightforward solution. This tool works with your automatic scrubber, using a simple back and forth motion to lift even the toughest stains. Start with the DymaBrush Maintenance Grit, applying maximum pressure and running several passes. If the stain persists, switch to the red copper stain removal tool and continue until the area is clear. This tool ensures your floors look spotless without the need for harsh chemicals or intensive labor. Remember, after stain removal, polish the area to blend it seamlessly with the surrounding floor.
We've just scratched the surface of what's possible with these incredible tools. Which ones caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content.